Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chawanne Burns and we have another grant video for you. This is the Main Street Strong. It is powered through Doordash. It is not COVID related grant for businesses intended to cover disasters that occur from natural processes of the earth such as hurricanes, floods, and wildfires. So we recently had some tornadoes, some floods, in certain areas. If your business was affected by these natural disasters, you can possibly get funding for this grant. The applications started on July the 11th and they are open until September the 30th. Applications must be submitted within 12 months of the declared disaster. It has to be a declared disaster area, okay? We're going to talk about what this application is and what it means and how you can apply for it. DoorDash's partnership with Hello Alice has started a $1 million restaurant disaster relief fund to provide grants to local restaurants across the United States affected by natural disasters. Small businesses are the center of local economies. Small businesses are centered of local economies, yet 40% of all small businesses are unable to reopen following a disaster, according to the FEMA, Federal Emergency Management Agency. Disasters can occur at a moment's notice, and access to capital is crucial to helping the restaurants rebuild their business following the disaster. So DoorDash is proud to launch this grant opportunity as a part of an ongoing 5-year, $200 million Main Street Strong pledge to empower local community. Applications are open through September the 30th, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. To be eligible, you must be a restaurant that experience hardship due to the state, tribal, or federal declared natural disaster. Operate a brick and mortar location that has been open for at least 6 months and have demonstrated the need with a clear plan for the use of funds. Partnership through DoorDash is not required, okay? So you don't have to have DoorDash delivery service to use this. So let's just look at the application. They want you to tell who you are, how you identify. We miss a few questions about affiliation, your age range, your relationship to the business, of course, what type of business you have, the street address, your social media handles, what year your business was founded, and what was the path of your business ownership. It asks about your EIN number and your specific industry of your business. And it best following describes if your business is a franchise or not. You see, you could select yes or no. Do you have more than 50 employees? Because if you do, you're not legitimately a small business, okay? Your annual expected gross revenue. And have you ever been turned down from a business loan from a traditional bank? And then it gets to disaster related questions. You know, it's a drop down where, you know, you could select whether or not you are in those areas and what type of natural disaster you experienced. Okay. What was the name of your disaster? Okay. And what date the disaster occurred. They're asking you, what would you do with the following grant money? And the approximate damage to your business, was it structural or cosmetic? Now, I tell everyone, if you're listening to me, if this is your first time, to win grants, this is literally a competition. If it has an essay question, your essay is the part where you need to be very persuasive. Not only you got to have the minimum qualification, hey, being a natural disaster, you are a restaurant, you operate a brick and mortar, but what makes them DoorDash and their partners say, oh, I want to give your restaurant this money. Okay, so how do you stand apart? So you got to be persuasive in any type of essay question. Okay, so if you like growing your business, if you want to grow your business, if you want to gain access to funding, I suggest you to subscribe to my channel. Link is in the description section to apply for this grant. I am sending out my good to you. I will talk to you soon.